All right, it is 12/20/23, and we're dealing with a four-cylinder Honda Accord, VIN number ending in 5223. Car has 186,037, so basically 186,000 miles. And our oil is negative 76 miles. So we're gonna do an oil change. And first thing we're doing is we're gonna check the oil level. I've already pulled out the dipstick and cleaned it. So we're gonna stick it back in and see how much oil we have before we even do an oil change. All right, so there you go. The dipstick doesn't even register. So we're very low on oil. We'll do that one more time. So we notice that the dipstick is now clean. Let's make it not move. Dipstick is clean. And we're gonna check out the oil. Again, no oil. So this car is burning oil, or is leaking oil or something, but we know to start out with there's not enough oil. So what else can we say about this car? Let's just start it up and see how it sounds. It's a stick shift. That's awesome. That's a rare. So the car is cold. It just started. Everything's kind of sounds normal. Nothing jumps out. There's coolant just a little bit lower, just a tiny bit, but that's still good. Brake fluid still looks like it's okay. And looks like it got a new battery. All right, other than that, everything looks good. Let's shut down the car. Let's stick it in gear. We got it in reverse so it doesn't roll. Let's get the creeper out. Oh, there's some change here. Check on the other side. All right, so this right hand is on the front passenger side, so we can see it hit something hard here. You can see the frame got hit here, hit something, scraped something hard, but other than that, the cat looks OEM. That's good. Relatively looks pretty dry down here. A little wet in the front here, maybe from the valve cover, maybe not. Don't know what is causing this wetness here, but the oil pan looks good and dry, so if there's a leak, it might be burning oil versus leaking outside, because it doesn't look that bad. Our CV boots look good. CV boot looks good. And CV boot looks good. Everything looks relatively dry here. That's good. Let's check the radiator out. I don't see any leaks in the radiator. Just some wetness right here, which is all okay for the mileage, 186. And what I'm talking about, this is the engine and this is the manual transmission here. And so I don't know, the leak is coming from the top, like from the valve cover. Not sure. See a little bit of rat dropping right there, a little bit. And why it's so wet up here, don't know where that's coming from. How about this hose? This hose looks good, doesn't look cracked. Like a little spider used to live in here. I don't think that does anything though. And maybe checking out the oil air filter would be the next thing, but other than that, it looks good. All right, 186,000 miles. Pre-oil change inspection.